Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create and organize with tab groups inside of Safari on iOS 15. With the release of iOS 15, there have been several improvements and changes to Safari, and one of them is called tab groups. Tab groups allow you to group together and organize a bunch of sites that you may have open or use frequently. To do this, open Safari and then tap the tab icon on the lower right of your screen. Here you'll see the new layout for tabs inside of iOS 15. Tap the tabs option in the center at the bottom of the screen. In here at the bottom, you'll have a couple of options. The first is to create a new empty tab group. This may be how you'd start if you currently have nothing opened. Choose that, give your group a new name, and then hit save. It will then create an empty group where you can then start to browse on new tabs. I'll head back to the last page, and this time we'll look at the next option. Under New Empty Tab Group, we also see the option to create a group from all of the current open tabs. You can then choose that, give this its own name, and then hit save here. And finally, at any time, you can also delete an entire group of tabs. Head back to the Tab Group Edit page and swipe left on a group. You can then rename the group if you'd like, or tap on the trash can to delete it. And that's how you create and group tabs inside of Safari in iOS 15. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.